So I have about a quarter of my hair left to do, so I just wanted to start off here because I started it last night and I was like not being consistent, and I was eating and watching Netflix and stuff, and I had a good dinner. But yeah, so just to start off, I moisturized my hair in sections, and I used the natural curl defining cream from Eden. Don't know if you guys can see. And then this was black castor oil, but I just refilled it with olive oil, so I put that on to seal in the moisture. And then I just did random parting. Listen, y'all, if y'all have like consistently been watching like my hair tutorials or whatever, I do random parting all the time. That's all I do. When I do my hair, the way I do my hair is not a representation of the way I do clients' hair, unless they request that they want it to look like really natural. So I just do random parting, which means it's not like in any real shape. So that's what I did here. And then I braided my hair, but to save time and like not waste energy or whatever, I start off the base with a braid. So I like braid it down to here, and then the rest of it is just a 2-strand twist, because you really only need the base to be like secure so it doesn't unravel, because these are crochet faux locs, but like the rest of it, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, first what I did was I just sectioned my hair, moisturized it, and then I braided up all of my hair, and then I went through with the crochet faux locs. So the hair I got was from Amazon. At this point, everything I get is from Amazon. But I did notice in a lot of other people's videos, they would order like 24 18-inch hair, and then they would have to like crochet them together in the middle and do all the extra stuff. But I found a link where I got 36-inch faux locs, like they're just 36 inches, and it came in this packaging. So far I only used like 2 packs of it. There's a lot of hair in here. So there was 6 packs. So there's still 4 in here. And I think there's 21 strands in each thing. So this is really good. And then it came with these, oh wait, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like these little accessories, and then it also came with a crochet needle, and then they also put these 2 tiny little banana clips in there, you know, to help section off your hair, which I thought was really cute. I really like that. I didn't know it was gonna come with any extra stuff, so that was a nice surprise. And then the hair I got, I'm looking around everywhere because my stuff is like everywhere. I'm trying to grab it. And then the other hair I got was water wave crochet hair, and it came in this cute packaging, and that was I think that was 6 packs as well, and then it came in these strands. So far with the hair I have done, I've only used 1 pack. I'm still on my first pack, so I can already tell that I'm gonna have leftover hair, which I think is amazing. I love having extra hair, you know, the more the merrier. But anyway, enough talking. I'm gonna get straight into it, and I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. I'm gonna take out this one right here. So then of course I braided from here to about here, and then the rest of this is just 2-strand twists. And then also, before you start your braiding or anything, make sure you take out your edges. I like dramatic edges, so I put out quite a bit. And then my sideburns, I wanted it to be like have curls and stuff, so I took out a good amount of that as well. It looks a little crazy right now, but when I do them they're gonna look a little better. Okay, but anyway, take my crochet needle. It's open, it has the latch that open and closes, so you have it open, and then you just push it through the base like that. And then this is what the faux loc looks like. They are a little like springy, so they're not like all the way stretched out, but you find the end that has the loop, and then you just separate it like that, and then you put it on, you close the latch and then pull it through, take off the latch, open up the hook again, I mean the loop, and then you're just putting the hair through like that, and then just pulling it there. So then it's like that. So you have this, and then you have your braid, and then we're taking our water wave hair, and because my hair is like still pretty short, I can actually cut this other crochet hair in half because I don't have to go all the way down the base because my hair stops right here. So I take my water wave, take my scissors, cut it in half, and then this other half will be for my next faux loc. And then you run your fingers through it to kind of fluff it out, you know. And then when I'm wrapping my hair, so this is the end that I cut, and then this end is more tapered, so I'm gonna wrap the blunt cut side around the base, because when it's tapered, it's easier for it to like wrap around, because you have these super long strands that can just wrap around and twist it more so that it doesn't start to unravel. So what I do is I pinch my hair like this, because it's hard to explain this stuff because I know what I'm saying, but I don't know if it makes sense when I say it. But we take this end right here and we match it up, and then you take the rest of your other strand and you wrap it around the base. I wrap it around the base maybe like 3 or 4, I think I just did 4 times, and then you slowly start working your way down. And this doesn't have to be super tight at all, you just have to wrap it, and it's fluffy, so it's just really gentle wrapping. Again, it doesn't have to be tight. And then this can be as messy or as neat as you want it to be. So if it looks messy, I actually feel like that's good. That's good. And then I just keep wrapping, 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 wrapping. And then once you get towards the end, you can like start wrapping up a little bit, then start wrapping back down, then wrap up. You just want it to like lock so it doesn't like unravel. So I'm down to this little bit of strand, and then I just keep wrapping and wrapping. At this point you can use like some nail glue and like put it on the strand so that it really doesn't unravel. I do have nail glue, but I don't really feel like that's necessary right now. But that's basically how I do it. So I'm just going to continue doing that same thing for the few faux locs that I have left, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. So I finished all of the faux locs, and again I did 64 faux locs. Oh, I missed one. Oh my god. I'll do that later. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm using the edge booster. I just sprayed my hair with some warm water, and then I have my edge brush. I upgraded from using a toothbrush. You feel me? Now that I finished doing all of my hair, now I'm going to show you guys how I put on my beads. I got these beads from my hair supply store. They came with this little, I don't know what it's called, maybe it's like a beater or something, but you're supposed to put the beads on and then you loop it through your hair and then you pull it on. But those things are really cheap and weak, so I broke them. Like, I had 3 of them and they all broke. So instead, I'm going to show you how I did it using my crochet needle. And the beads, I'm just doing 3 on each strand. I'm not doing any particular pattern. I'm just putting them on however I want. So first what I do is I have my crochet needle and I have the latch open, and then I'm just gonna place 3 of my beads on there. Bro. Okay. Let me just grab another one. Okay. So now I'm placing 3 of my beads on here. 1. And now I'm going to hook this onto my hair, and instead of like closing the clasp, I'm going to let it lay down flat and kind of push my beads over it, because when it's closed, the beads can't like move past it because the opening isn't big enough. So here's one of my faux locks, and I'm just going to hook it on. Make sure the beads are going over the part of the latch, and then just pull it through. Don't do it too crazy or anything, because this hair is thick for it to come through. So now just pulling it the rest of the way through like that, and then we're gonna move it down towards the end. And I would not recommend using the size of rubber bands I'm using, because these are huge. I would recommend using the smaller ones, but that's all I had. But anyway, so this is our strand. So what we do is we fold the end over like that, and then we just take our rubber band and we just tie it a bunch of times. And then we just push back our other beads over it and close to the rubber band. So this one didn't come out that good, but that's what it looks like. You can see. But this is my first time putting beads on faux locks, so I'm still trying to figure out the best method. But for now, that's the way I'm doing it. And this is how the rest of them turned out. So there's still a couple that don't have any beads on them. I'm not sure if I really feel like putting them all on, because I might, but I don't know. We'll see.